What a great day, huh? Hey, who did that? Oh, you! So beautiful. Hi, what's your name?
I'm a mermaid, and you are?
Ken.
Let's go for a swim, Ken. Follow me.
It's so much fun. Okay, you know what? I have to ask you something. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Oh, this is the best day of my life.
Toys and dolls, don't miss out on the offer.
Sammy, what are you doing?
I started an event agency, but I don't have any clients yet.
An event agency? Great. I need help with my upcoming wedding.
Have you decided on a style?
Did I have to?
Here, take a look. It could be a pirate wedding or a superhero wedding, something nautical maybe?
So hard to decide. I'm marrying a mermaid.
You should have just said so. So, an under-the-sea wedding it is. Any guests?
Not many. Just 4 of my closest friends.
Okay, that's all I need to know.
Yay, I can't wait!
My first client! Oh, I'm so excited. Sue, I need your help with the wedding outfits.
No problem. I'm always happy to help you.
Cool. So where do we start?
First, we need measurements of everyone who needs costumes.
You got it.
And I'll take care of the stencil.
Too simple. Too flashy. Too dull.
Hey, girl, what's up?
Oh, hi, Sammy. I'm getting ready for Ken's wedding, you know. Need your advice. How do you like this dress? I don't want to outshine the bride.
Oh, it's very pretty, except the wedding is underwater.
What? But I can't go underwater. My dress will be ruined.
Don't worry, I have everything thought through. Follow me to the craft table. Hey, Sue, here's your first client.
Oh, hi there. Now tell me what your favorite color is.
Blue.
Say no more. One blue-colored outfit is coming right up. First, let's roll out some clay. Now, we'll trim the excess. All right, hands up. Let's start the fitting. Great! Now, let's make sure that the outfit will have a very special marine vibe. The tail fin goes here. The top and the bracelets are in place too. And a choker, of course. All right, Sammy, what else do you think we add to this outfit?
How about some seashells?
Nah, we need something more fancy.
Okay. Fancy, huh? Let's see. I don't have anything like that.
Then here's a quest for you. Go find some rhinestones.
If I were a rhinestone, where would I hide? Huh? That's one weird-looking piece of paper. Whoa! Wait a second. Is that a treasure map? What if it can lead me to the rhinestones? It says I have to swim. Okay, here I come. Oh, I see something. Is that a treasure chest? Watch out, fishies. It's heavier than it looks. Okay, the moment of truth. Whoa, we have everything we need right here. Sue will be so excited.
So, for your hairstyle, I'm using flower clips.
Here are the rhinestones you asked for, Sue.
A whole chest! Wow! That's just what we need. First, let's put some glitter on. Now, to the rhinestones.
I also found perfect sequins for the tail.
Great. Let's put them on. We're going to need some glue for this one. We need more glitter here.
Here, let me do the sprinkling. I was born for this.
You did great, Sammy.
These also were in that chest. Neat, right?
Yeah,
Oh, I can't wait to see how I look.
give me just a second. A few sea crystals, and you're all set.
Wow, so sparkly. I'm gonna go look in the mirror.
Okay, Sammy, who's next?
It said here, we have 2 more pretty ladies. I wonder where they are. Oh, I'm about to hit a combo. Hey, what are you doing here?
Why?
What? You had to come to the wedding preparations.
Wedding preparations? Who's getting married?
Seriously? You've got the invitations right here.
Oh my! We got so caught up in the game, we didn't notice. Our roommate must have gotten them, and now he's at the tailor's?
Oh no, we won't have time to get our outfits ready. And why do you think I am here for? Ladies, follow me. Sue, are you ready? I brought you 2 more guests.
Hi!
Hi, girls. Who's gonna go first?
That's what rock, paper, scissors are for.
Yay! Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3.
One more time.
3 hours later.
1, 2.
I think it's a draw, guys. Let's just go with you. So, what's your favorite color?
Purple, of course.
Then purple it is.
Do you happen to have a lighter shade?
It can be arranged. We just need to add a little white.
This is perfect! Yay!
Alrighty, it's time to get to work. Now stand still, please. And the tail fin, of course.
I found a nail polish that matches the color perfectly.
Great job, Sam. Sammy, can I get some lavender-colored glitter for this outfit, please?
Why do you keep giving me so hard quests, Sue? How about this?
Well, you did the lavender part, right? A little bit of magic, and voila! There you go.
Wow, Sue, you're quite the fashion designer.
Thanks. Now, let's decorate the tail.
We're behind the schedule. Speed up.
You got it, boss.
Here, let me do that. You're welcome.
Here go big gems and pretty pearls.
You forgot all about the scales.
Oh, right. Thanks, Tibidaba. You are here, Sam. Whoa, you look so pretty. We only need to do your hair. Done. What do you think?
Perfection.
Yeah, I love this outfit too. Next, please.
Oh, yes, I'm here.
Come with me, girl.
What's your color choice?
Yellow, please.
Your wish is my command.
Let me pin your hair up so it's out of the way.
Look what I found, Sue. It's a rhinestone ribbon.
Wow, it's so shiny. Good catch, Sammy.
Always at your service. Sue, we need more red gems.
You got it. Red goes perfectly with yellow.
You didn't forget the scales this time, did you?
I remember. But first we need to finish the rhinestones.
Am I looking good or what?
Fabulous. But let's save these for the outfit, okay?
Now, we get to the scales, right?
That's right, Sammy. It's scale time.
Who's ready to look in the mirror?
Hey, my hair!
Whoopsie. I nearly forgot. You can choose a hairpin now.
These. And these.
What do you say now?
Wow!
Okay, it's the 6th time you've tried this suit on. What do you say?
Oh, it's too tight for me. So uncomfortable.
Meh. Fine. 2 more days and I will fix it.
What? But I need it now. You're so getting a bad review.
Whatever. He's such a baby.
Aw, yellow looks so good on you.
That's true. You look like a little underwater sunshine.
Wow, I love your outfit so much. And your hair? Gorgeous!
Guys, it's all ruined. I don't have the right suit for the wedding.
Don't panic. We'll figure something out.
I've already got the clay ready.
Let's get to work.
Here's the tail fin.
Thank you. It goes right here.
The arms are taken care of too.
Awesome. We can get to decoration.
Don't forget the glitter. It's very important.
I would never. Here comes a nice wide belt. Now, some mermaid magic. Voila!
Oh wow, Derek. You look so handsome, buddy. I'm afraid you might outshine the groom himself.
Where are you, Mermaid? Do you mind if I sing at our wedding?
Oh, wow! You've picked up a song, and I still don't have my wedding dress.
Don't worry, love. Sam and Sue will help us.
All right, nice ride, by the way.
Salty!
I love salty.
No food in the crafting area.
Okay, let me freshen up a bit.
You don't need this right now.
Okay, let's get the groom ready.
Hey, Sue, want a pickle?
No food until we're done. Anyway, back to the outfit. White clay makes a nice belt.
Finally, it's decorating time.
That's right.
What about these crystals?
Just what we need.
If you don't mind, I'll deal with glitter. So sparkly.
But we need even more. And last but not least, scales.
Here's the final touch to complement your look.
Oh, what a great idea, Sammy.
Where's my fiancé?
You shouldn't see the bride before the wedding, remember? Now for the bride, I have a special trick.
Wow, that's my favorite color, pink. So, are we gonna be done soon?
The bride always needs more time to prepare, Sam.
Okay, I'll entertain the guests then.
What kind of hairstyle do you want?
How about braids and ribbons?
Great choice. And we're all set.
I can't wait to see the bride.
Hey, when do we start? I'm starving.
Oh, where is she? What if she changed her mind?
May I have your attention, please? Here comes the bride.
Oh, wow.
Sorry I kept you waiting.
It's okay, as long as you're here.
By the craft power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Need a wedding? You know who to call? I hope you liked this video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.